Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming batteries and connectivity. First, put both AirPods in the case and charge for at least 15 minutes so power isn't the issue. Once done, visually inspect the right bud and speaker mesh for wax or debris. Clean gently with a soft brush and a 70% isopropyl swab. Next, on your device, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. Then press and hold the case button until the LED flashes white to reset and prepare for reconnection. You now repair and isolate software problems. With the case lid open, hold it near your device and follow the pairing prompt. This often restores the right channel. If audio still favors left, make sure mono audio is off and the left-right balance sits centered in accessibility audio/visual. Also update your phone or computer OS because firmware mismatches can cause dropout. Finally, test the Right AirPod with a second device to determine whether the fault is the AirPod itself or your original device. You're at the finishing stage. Confirm there's no physical damage or water exposure. If it got wet, dry for 24 hours in open air and avoid heat. If problems persist after resets and repairing, check for firmware updates one more time and attempt another reset sequence. Sometimes repeated restores prompt a firmware refresh. If the Right AirPod still fails, contact Apple support or an authorized service, arrange diagnostics, or a single AirPod replacement under warranty or paid repair. One tip: keep testing with a different device to rule out host issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.